Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick unboxing and overview of the CleanSpace Halo Respirator. So once you open the box, you're first going to see the manual. I do suggest that you read it, it's only 29 pages in English. You also get 2 moist towels for cleaning. It also comes with a universal charger. You also get a seal check cap. You use this to check for any leaks in your mask. There's also an extra neck support that's a larger size. Now we move on to the main blower unit. This is the back portion where the filter goes in, and this is the top portion where the controls are on the right side, and on the bottom left you see the lock for your filter. On the front, you have the smaller neck support already attached, and on both sides you have the air bellows. And on the bottom of the unit, you can see the charging port. It does come with a single filter, although I do suggest that you get more filters. One filter does last a long time, a few months at a time, but it depends on the environment that you use it in. This is the harness that goes over your head. It's a one-size-fits-all thing because it's fully adjustable. And lastly, it comes with a CleanSpace tote bag. Now this is the half-face mask that comes in different sizes, small, medium, and large. I do suggest that you get yourself fitted before purchasing or choosing a mask. These are the specific measurements indicated in the manual for your reference. Also, do keep in mind that there is an option for a full-faced mask. Now going back to the half mask, this is the part that goes over your mouth. This is the side with the clip. This is the front with the exhalation valve. Now you attach the mask by clipping it into both sides of the blower. The harness is also attached on both sides of the mask. Use the arrow on top of the harness to orient it properly. Now removing or replacing the filter is relatively straightforward. All you have to do is pull up the pin on the left side and then remove the old filter. If you want to fit a new filter, all you have to do is insert the right side first, making sure that the CleanSpace logo is right side up. And once you do that, you have to press the filter firmly onto the respirator and lock the pin back in place. Check that the filter is secure and that there are no gaping holes. Now to don the respirator, make sure you press the power button once to activate it. Then you have to place the blower behind your neck, then fasten the clips. And then pull the mask up onto your face, and then pull the harness over your head. Make sure everything is settled in and adjust accordingly. Also, do check for any leaks, as there shouldn't be any leaks at all. Keep in mind that it is possible to wear your glasses over the half mask, and that it is not possible to wear your glasses inside the full face mask. At this point, I would like to encourage you to please read the manual, as there are other important instructions that you have to read before operating the respirator. Please don't use this video as your sole reference for operating the respirator. This is because incorrect usage of this respirator may lead to damage or harm to the user. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.